Solar professionals work a long day. There's no time to waste on tools that can't get the whole job done. And that's why they carry Fluke Solar tools. The Fluke Solar Multifunction Tester, the SMFT-1000, is designed for solar pros. The hardworking electricians and technicians who do PV installation, commissioning, maintenance, and troubleshooting for the world's growing number of solar installations. The SMFT-1000 is rated for 1000-volt DC environments. Avoid the hassle of reconfiguring test leads with our Keep the Lead system. Connect the leads just once to perform all tests. Verify PV system performance with real-time IV curve tracing displayed on screen without a laptop. Clearly marked controls select for resistance, polarity, voltage and current, power AC/DC and function, insulation resistance, IV curve and diode tests. Easy-to-use auto test sequences save time in the field, and the SMFT-1000 stores the data, so there's no fighting with a laptop or tablet outdoors. When it's time to work on reporting, the tester can download to a laptop in the office, on-site, or wherever the work needs to get done. Fluke TrueTest software's intuitive screens make downloading measurements, managing data, reviewing history, and generating reports and documentation as easy and reliable as using a trusted tool. The Fluke Solar Multifunction Tester is part of a kit of solar tools designed to work together. Fluke accuracy, quality, and reliability tailored for the solar workflow. Solar pros get to the next job faster and get home sooner, doing the job right the first time with Fluke.